Hello, everyone. Good afternoon for you. So we thank you to participate to the first webinar of Convergent Group. Convergent Group is a Belgian company based on the French border. We are the licensee of Convergent Concrete Technology, a US company based in Utah. And we divide the world in two in the way that Convergent Concrete Technology produced for North America, South America, and Asia. And us, as Convergent Group, we produce for all Europe, including Russia, Middle East, Africa, Australia, New Zealand, and India. So the main subject of this webinar will be if lithium-based sealers and hardeners are effective for protecting concrete floor. So how does lithium silicates work and hardeners work on industrial concrete floor, and why lithium densifier are better than sodium and potassium densifier? So first of all, I will introduce myself. So I'm Pute Schmidt, the Chief Executive Officer of Convergent Group. And the speaker of today will be Jean-Claude Billard, who is the Senior Executive Officer and the founder of Convergent Group. Then Quentin Maguin, the Production Manager of Convergent Group. Then Panchika Sanchez, the Product Engineer of Convergent Group. And then Matteo Mozzarelli, who is the Chief Executive Officer of Concrete Solution Italia, or exclusive distributor for Italy. So I will just ask to Jean-Claude Billard to explain a little bit, to talk a little bit about the holding and who we are.
Thank you, Mrs. Schmidt, and thank you to all of you who are going to participate in this webinar. Thank you for your time and your presence. My name is Jean-Claude Billard, and I am the chairman and the founder of the holding company called BCH International. This holding includes the following companies: Phase 3, Lysochem, and Convergent Group. We will introduce you to the later company in particularly today. Convergent Group was founded more than 20 years ago and was the first company in the world to introduce lithium silicate as a hardener for concrete floor. All our products are developed in our factory and tested in our laboratories. Our products are water-based without any solvent and have also been tested in different universities as the Weimar Institute in Germany and Eurofin for all Europe. Today, we are one of the world's leading companies in the field of floor protection. In every building or house where the floor is made of concrete, you can use our product. At the moment, we supply around 50 countries around the world through our distribution network and applicator, going from Belgium to New Zealand. And thanks to this network, we improve the floor of companies such as like grocery store, like Carrefour, Lion Food, some laboratories like Pfizer, Roche, distribution center like Amazon, AMAC, car factories and garage like VAG Group, Iveco, Fiat, Mercedes, but also aviation company like Boeing, Airbus, Bombardier, and sure, airport companies like Lufthansa, Air France, Air New Zealand, We have also product for sport shop like Decathlon and Adidas, but we are not limited. So we are making also floor for school, university, private resident, and a few more. I thank you for your presence, and I leave you in the hands of Mrs. Schmidt, CEO, Quentin Maguin, the product manager, Panchika Sanchez, product engineer, and one of our distributor, Matteo Mozzarelli, who is our distributor for Italy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jean-Claude. So, just one thing that I forget to tell you is that if you have any question, do not forget to put your question in the Q&A box. And after, at the end of the presentation, we will just reply to your question. Oops.
Hi, everyone. So before starting product's presentation, I'm going to talk about lithium technology and comparison between sodium silicate and lithium silicate. Convergent Group chooses to use exclusively the highest quality lithium silicate on the market in their products to be sure to offer the best solution to densify concrete floors. But what are advantages to use lithium silicate compared to old technology like sodium silicate? If you already used sodium or lithium silicate based product, you can give your opinion in the chat box. So now main advantages are reported on the next slide. So first of all, lithium silicate has a lower viscosity than sodium silicate, which means that lithium silicate based product penetrate deeper in the concrete slab. Moreover, due to its lower alkalinity, the chemical reaction between lithium silicate and the free lime in the concrete will be slower, and thus densification reaction will be more complete and more effective. As a result, the concrete floor treated by lithium silicate will be denser and harder, keeping a natural look. Then, the use of lithium silicate in Pentra product prevent gel formation during the application compared to sodium silicate based products. Indeed, after the application of sodium silicate, the product reacts violently with the concrete and forms a gel on the top of the surface. This gel must be directly or as soon as possible cleaned to avoid crystallization on the concrete, and this cleaning process takes a lot of time. In opposite, after Pentrasil hardeners application, no cleaning process is required. Next slide, please. Finally, despite Pentrasil hardeners are more expensive than sodium silicate based product, their consumption is around 3 times less. For example, 1 liter of Pentrasil hardener, the coverage rate is from 12 to 15 square meter compared to only 5 square meter with 1 liter of sodium silicate hardener. So both low consumption and high effectiveness make Pentrasil hardeners more effective to protect all type of new and old concrete floors. So now I'm going to let my colleague Panchika introduce the product
line. Thank you. Good afternoon. So I will present you the Convergent Group products. So our products are divided in 5 categories. So the 5 categories are the curing, the first one, the hardening, wear protection, stain color, maintenance, and repair. I will present you during this presentation 1 product in each category. but you can find the description of all our products on the video or on our website. I will start with the curing category and the Pentrasil HD+C. But before starting, maybe you can say us what kind of curing product do you use for your concrete, and if you have any question about curing product, you can ask it. So the Pentrasil HD+C is an easy and cost-effective application. In a single one-step product, the Pentrasil HD+C, you will find a curing, a hardener, and a densifier, using a rapid separation technology. The curing compounds migrate to the surface as a film-forming moisture barrier, while the nanolithium silicates penetrates and reacts with the free lime and cement. This product is suitable for newly placed concrete, including commercial, institutional buildings, offices, businesses, restaurants. But now, Quentin will present you all the benefits of this product.
So, as previously said by Panchika, Pentrasil HD+C is a cost-effective two-in-one product, so water-based curing compound and hardener. So this single component application gives to your concrete floor a long-term protection against wear, moisture, dirt, and abrasion compared to traditional methods. The consumption rate is around 14 square meters per liter, and only one coat is required. Finally, Pentrasil HD+C is earth-friendly because it doesn't contain solvents, which means that VOC emissions are very low. An example of project made by our official distributors using Pentrasil HD+C is the treatment of several new concrete floors of Amazon warehouses in Europe. So now I will let Panchika talk to you about the next category of product.
At Convergent Group, we offer a wide range of hardeners. Here, I will present you the premium one, the Pentrasil 244+. The Pentrasil 244+ is an hardener for new construction, restoration, and polished concrete. It is a premium hardener densifier with an hydrophobic properties. It is formulated to protect existing concrete or new concrete against damage from salt, freeze-throw, moisture, and steel corrosion. The reactive treatment reduces permeability, helps prevent efflorescence, and provides chloride ion resistance. This product will increase the life of your concrete. Pentrasil 244+ can be used on newly or existing concrete for internal or external uses. So Quentin will present you the benefits of this product.
So after Pentrasil 244+ treatment, the concrete surface will be hardened, densified, and dust-proof. Moreover, this water-based and lithium silicate-based product is easy to use with low odor. The product consumption is around 12 square meters per liter, depending on the porosity of the floor. Only one coat is required. The Pentrasil 244+ is especially recommended to be used to get high polished floor and to be used in high traffic areas. An example of project using Pentrasil 244+ is the concrete floor treatment in several IKEA warehouses, such as in Madrid and in Valencia in Spain. So now we will move on to the next product category.
So in the wear protection category, the third one, we have 4 main products designed according to the needs. I will present you in detail one of them, the Pentrasil HB, and then I will give you a brief description of the three of our products. But before presenting this product, tell us in the chat box what kind of top coat do you use, or what is you need for this kind of product. So for the Pentraguard HP, it says a coating we will provide to you concrete a rapid shine development, increase abrasion, stay resistance, and gloss retention. You will have an attractive finish of a high-performance glossy coating. It can be used for surface which must tolerate significant foot traffic, larger footprint, abrasion, and chemical. Now we will see the benefits with Quentin.
So what are Pentraguard products benefits? So these products combine durable protection with a natural shiny effect. These clear coatings react chemically with the concrete, creating a strong penetrating microfilm, which is resistant against stains, chemicals, abrasion, and that will not peel. The product dries very fast and is easy to apply. The coverage rate is around 25 square meter per liter of product for the first coat and around 50 square meter per liter for subsequent coats, depending on the finish of the floor. So two examples of job site where Pentraguard HP has been used to finish and protect concrete floor are several Zara shops in Spain or hangars for Lufthansa in Germany. So now, before closing this product category, my colleague will briefly talk to you about the other products.
As I said later, we have four main products. So we present you the Pentraguard HP, and now we have three over one. The first one is Pentraguard X. Is specifically designed for the exterior. It is a sealer for concrete, masonry, and stone surfaces. Pentraguard X cures quickly and provides a hard, glossy, wet look finish. The 2/1 of the Pentra finish range. This range is best suited for industrial floor with a heavy traffic. You will have a stain and wear resistant finish. Pentra Finish AG will offer you a high gloss finishing, and the Pentra Finish Low Gloss will give you a satin look for your floor. So I'm going to talk about our fourth category. So if you want a color floor, Convergent Group offered two products in the high performance coating, stain, and color category. So in this category of color, we have a plain color, Pentra Color Hard, and a transparent one, Pentra Protective Stain. The color penetrates and reacts with the concrete, but give the benefits of a deep, rich use and create a more durable and abrasion resistance. They can be applied on any edge concrete. For end protection, we recommend an application of Pentra Finish AG or Pentraguard HP after the color. Quentin will explain you all the benefits of this product.
So, what are benefits to use our color system? So, first, Pentra Color Hard, so the solid color, epoxies and urethanes by means of this better durability, better adhesion, easier application, and low maintenance cost. Concerning Pentra Protective Stain Eye Gloss, so the transparent color system, the product has been designed to replace traditional acid stains product and to get an homogeneous, transparent colored floor. Both products are lithium silicate based, water-based with low odor, and all pigments used are UV resistant. Pentra Color Hard and Pentra Protective Stain dry fast, so both products are even suitable for use to refurbish occupied spaces. Finally, the thickness of both products after application is so thin that products don't peel. Pentracolor art has been used, for example, in Range Rover factory in France and in Mercedes factory in Italy to mark out specific areas such as the charging zone for electric vehicles. Concerning Pentra-protective stain, this product is frequently used to hide concrete floor defects and to achieve a uniform finish. So now my colleague is going to talk to you about the last product category.
Just 1 minute. I just want to remind to everything that if you have some question, do not forget to put your question in the Q&A box. And like this, we will be able to reply to your question afterwards. And Shika, you can continue.
So for the last category, so the maintenance and repair category, I will present you two products, a cleaner and a micro crack filler. So this category will reduce maintenance, cleaning cost, and costly repair. So for the Pentra Clean CR, this clean is a high-performance cleaner. It is formulated to work through an auto scrubber. This product helps remove layers of grime and stubborn soils. It will also restore the top layer of a finish. Quentin will explain you all the benefits of this cleaner.
So thanks to lithium silicate in the product, this cleaner helps to extend the life of the floor. It helps also to protect against scratching, water spot, and black rubber marks, and it restores the gloss of the floor after cleaning. Furthermore, Pentra Clean CR leaves no residue that will damage the floor. This cleaner is cost-effective because it must be diluted in water, and the common dilution is around 60 milliliters in 25 liters of tap water, depending on the dirtiness of the floor. The Pentra Clean CR is generally used for deep cleaning or to clean high traffic areas such as logistic warehouses, garage, or factories. So now, Panchika will present the next category, the next product for this category.
To conclude with this product presentation, I will present you the Pentrasil PCF. So Pentrasil PCF is a liquid pour and micro crack filler. It has to be used during the grinding operation. You can use it on the new or existing concrete for an internal uses or external uses. All the benefits will be presented by Quentin.
So the use of the Pentrasil PCF allows to fill in all imperfections and pinholes during grinding operation. Pentrasil PCF is mixed with the dust from the concrete to create a paste which is used to fill imperfections. The big advantage of this product is that all imperfections are filled with the same color as the original concrete. After Pentrasil PCF application, the concrete can be colored or hardened without compatibility problems. So finally, as all imperfections are filled, you can create easily a polished surface with easy maintenance. An example of the use of Pentrasil PCF is to fill micro cracks of a porous concrete before starting the polishing process. So, after this product overview, a few words about our certifications. So, all our range of product get last version of LEED certification and BREEAM certification, which means that each Pentra product is earth-friendly, user-friendly, and emits low VOC concentration.
I just want also to just give you the information that Convergent Group is ISO 9001 certified, so which is the norm for the quality, and also 14001, which is the environmental certification. Another thing that I think we just have to remind, because okay, it was a short and quick presentation about all our products, sorry, is that you still have to keep in mind that we have a wide product range, but as producer, we can still adapt the formulation of our product based on your need and based on your request, and that our product can be used all the time on new floor and also on old floor. So I will just ask to Matteo to just explain us a case study that he has in Italy.
Hello everybody, good afternoon. I'm Matteo Mozzarelli from Italy. I'm the owner of Concrete Solution Italia. Concrete Solution Italia is the Italian distributor of Convergent Group products from around 10 years. And during these years, we have covered many square meters of concrete floor with Convergent products. Just to make an example, only in the last 3 years, we have supplied our client product to cover around 2.5 million of square meter of concrete floor in many different market sectors for a new project and also for a renovation. The main market sectors where our customers apply lithium silicate are always floor under stress, high traffic area, high and really stressful floors. For example, logistic, warehouse, food logistic, supermarket, automotive and commercial area, and also airport. In Italy, we have some important final clients. For example, Fiat is a FCA group, where in the last 10 years we have applied more than 100,000 square meters of densifier. Amazon, in the last 3 years, we covered around 300,000 square meters. Amazon is quite a new client in Italy. We have covered around 50,000 square meters in IKEA, and we have worked also in Italian military air force, where we have made more than 60,000 square meters of hangar. And actually the main client are always different food and supermarket logistic, where in the last 5 years we have covered 500,000 square meters. But I want to explain a little the first project made in Italy for FCA Group. It was made in the 2015. The surface was around 50,000 square meters, and there was a new plant of Iveco, where they build a truck. Okay, it's a truck producer. The goal of the project was to make a really strong floor and also durable, with easy and cost-efficient maintenance. And in this project, we have applied on fresh concrete Pentrasil HD+C. HD+C is a curing, hardener and densifier product, all in one, and where the application is very easy, just to spray the product on top of the fresh concrete as soon as the smoothing process is finished. So it's very fitting, and it's very easy and very fast. After 1 month around, we clean the floor, we remove the curing agent of the HD+C, and we apply the final product. The final product was PentraGuard HP. It was applied in 2 hands, very easy and very fast. And with PentraGuard HP, we improve the abrasion resistance, the stain resistance, and also the shine of the surface. And in the end, the product was burnished with a special high-speed machine. And just to finish, the application of convergent product, it's always easy because all the products are ready to use. You don't have to mix nothing. Always the products are ready to apply. And this reduce the risk of the mistake from the applicator. That's all. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Matteo. Thank you so much, for your explanation, and thank you to work with us because it's also the most important. So we arrive slowly to the Q&A session time. So just one thing that I really want to explain to everyone in reality, because I saw some question about, if you have some distributor in Kenya or in Uganda. In reality, Convergent was mainly present in Africa, was mainly in South Africa, since I think more than 15 years. So we have a huge, I think, reference in South Africa. And we just start really to prospect in East Africa and West Africa, and also Central Africa. So in reality, we have participated 1 month ago to a commercial mission in Rwanda and even in DRC. And now we will see if we can, in reality, duplicate and have a production unit in East Africa. I think it will be easiest for us to manage the continent and all countries. And in reality, we are more than open to just start a new collaboration and find new distributor in all Africa. So you are more than welcome to contact us directly, and if you want to have the distribution, so we can find a way we can collaborate. So no, I think we are going deeply into the Q&A. I think one Q&A that just come out, one question, it was the comparison. So I will ask to Quentin if you can just give me the comparison between the PCH or our product, that I will go directly for the PCH and the traditional epoxy coating, just like this, people can understand.
So in fact, the big difference to use pentracolor art compared to an epoxy is first, pentracolor art is a water-based product. So the odor of the product is very low. So it's very it's user-friendly. In fact, the product dries very fast. So for example, you can completely refurbish a floor, and the next day or 2 days later, you can use the floor, for example, compared to an epoxy. An epoxy, to apply an epoxy, you need a lot of preparation of your floor and a lot of step. The pentracolor art is very easy to apply. In fact, it's a little bit like a wall paint, but just for the floor. And you have a good result. You can have a lot of color in our range. We have I don't remember exactly, but around maybe 10 RAL references. But if you want, you can ask for a special RAL reference. So it's not a problem for us to develop the color for a special goal, in fact. So yeah, for me, the main difference is the product is user-friendly, so no solvent. It's easy to clean whole equipment because just clean with water. Yeah, I think that it's.
And in terms of chemical resistance, because sometimes I think for some job,
yeah,
I think if you have to compare, sometimes I think in terms of chemical
in fact, generally epoxy coating will be a little bit more resistant against acid chemicals. Compared to this, pentracolor art will be more resistant against alkaline chemicals. So in fact, it's really important to know the goal of your floor.
Thank you. The other question, okay, how many colors do we have in Pentra color art?
Around 10.
Okay, but we can still do some special color based on request.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Okay, concerning the Pentragard, can Pentragard be used on stem concrete or decorative concrete?
Yes, so for the Convergent HP, we can use it on stem concrete and decorative concrete. We all time need to do a test, but it's an option. Convergent HP can be used for this kind of concrete.
I will just complete by telling you that in that case, on the stem concrete, you can use also the Pentragard EXT or outside. It's also a good solution. How do we have to repair a crack on the floor?
With the Pentrasil PCF?
Sorry, yeah, I just realized that
Yeah.
I was on mute, I'm sorry. So the question was, how do that PCF on repair of cracks works before the floor polishing?
So in fact, it's really important to keep in mind that Pentrasil PCF can be used to repair micro cracks and pinholes, so very thin cracks. And the operation process is the following. In fact, during the grinding process of the concrete, you keep the paste and the dust from your concrete and you mix it with the Pentrasil PCF. Then, when you get a paste, you apply the paste with a squeegee and you push the paste in hole imperfections, pine holes and so on, and you let your concrete floor dry like this for one night. And the next day you can continue your grinding process or you can start your polishing process.
Thank you. There was another question concerning the competing products. So I think it was David that said we do have some competition from Turkey and China. What are the advantages of your product over other brands such as Isoname or other? So I think the best will be first to just identify your main competitors on the market and then to do the comparison. So Quentin, you can reply.
Yeah, in fact, it depends. It depends of the product because there are a lot of lithium silicate based product on the market. However, it's important to keep in mind that some lithium silicate based product contains in fact more sodium silicate inside. So in the Pentra product, we choose exclusively very high purity in our lithium silicate. So if you use Pentra product, in fact, you will be sure to have a very high quality product.
Thank you, Quentin. Another question. Wait a minute. So it was, but I just want to say, so was that if you have to mechanically prepare and grind the floor to apply our product all the time? Sorry. One of the questions was that if we have to mechanically grind or prepare the floor before to apply our product or to apply our product.
Yes, sure. It depends of the situation. But if your concrete floor is new and you are sure that you don't have any product inside, you can apply directly our product. But if it's a whole concrete, for example, with an epoxy coating, the best is always to remove completely the epoxy coating or other chemicals in the concrete slab before to start our product application. But it's sometimes it's difficult to know if you have product in the concrete slab, but a good solution to see if all products are compatible with your concrete is just to put a glass of water on the floor. If the water go inside, so no problem to apply our product.
I have a question from Matteo, and I think it was Iga was asking to Matteo, have you faced any challenge when using Pentraguard product? And if yes, how have you managed them? And do you get any assistance from the company? So Matteo, could you reply? It's okay for you?
Yeah.
Okay, carry on.
Pentra, as I told, all the products are really easy to use. It's difficult to fail with this kind of product. It's important to respect the technical data sheet and the prescription of Convergent Group. If you, yes, sometimes could be when people work can have problem, but Convergent Group have always good assistant from Contan or directly from Mr. Biard. They are always available to resolve problem or if you have any question to make better your job, they are always available.
Thank you, Matteo. Grazie. Thank you. I have another question. No, one other question was, okay, if we have any solution for the walls. I think we just have to talk quickly because we Convergent product mainly, we don't use it on walls. It's mainly on floors. But as Jean-Claude told you earlier, Mr. Biard, is that in our holding, we have two companies, and one company, Lysochem, is doing waterproofing product and also densifiers for floors and wall. So I think the best, and it's what we will do after that presentation. In any case, we will send you the PowerPoint presentation, the video, and all information that you want to have about our product. And in the same time, we will also send to the people who are interested the information about the company, but mainly about the Lysochem product. So I think in terms of question, there was another one. Was just wait a minute. Okay. Can our product be applied on a surface of beautification like tiles or mosaic, like colorless or PU to prevent water penetration? Quentin?
In fact, to apply our product, you just need to have a concrete, because in fact all lithium silicate product, so our hardener like Pentrasil 244 Plus, or our wear protection product like Pentraguard HP are lithium silicate based, and the lithium silicate in our product react really with the lime, so the free calcium in the concrete. So you need to have free calcium in your surface to react. So generally, if you have another surface, the best is to try if the product will be work on this specific surface, in fact.
So thank you. Our time with you is over. So what we will do after, in any case, we will have all your contact details. So we will email you and send you all the information by email. For those who have also some other questions, don't hesitate really to contact us. And like this, we will be in contact. If you want to have some sample, same thing, we can prepare and send you some sample to try the product. So I really want to thank you, Quentin, Panchika, Jean-Claude, I don't know if he's still there, and Matteo. So, and also to all of you. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, guys.